Hello friends, my compressor safety valve is releasing air, as you heard the noise, and it has been very cold here in Columbus, Ohio. It reached 25 degrees below. So what that means, the safety valve is there to protect your compressor and other components when something is blocked. Yesterday I worked on my friend's truck and he had that problem, and surprisingly enough today is my turn. But we did take out the air hose that's going into the dryer from the air compressor, and to our surprise it was plugged with ice. And now it shouldn't have ice because the air dryer has actually a heater. That's where the plug go. His heater plug was destroyed due to corrosion, and that's what caused the water to ice. Otherwise it should have just melted when he turned on the truck. So on this truck, mine, I am not 100% sure which hose I need to take out off of the dryer to see which one is icing. The best thing to do probably is to heat it up using garage heater. Otherwise, even if you catch the ice, I mean, what are you going to do with it? You can try to clean it up, but there might be internal blockage as well. But the lesson from this today is that noise you heard. This is your pressure relief valve on the compressor, relief in air due to a blockage. Now, my air tanks were actually full. However, today while I was driving and that noise came, my tank's air pressure reached 160, which is very high. So I'll be digging into my governor later on, and also the relief valve on the bottom of the air driver. Maybe it's stuck as well. I hope this helps you guys. Have a good day.